Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, I have a tag video. I was tagged by the lovely Andrea from Styled for Life. The tag was originally created by Shany Cole. I will link their videos down below in the description box. And the name of the tag is The Bag I Love the Most. So today's video is just going to be short and sweet. If you are not new to my channel, you would probably guess which bag that I would show you. Of all my bags in my collection, I would say the bag that I love the most is of course a bag from Chanel. Now can you guess which one? Of course, without a doubt, the bag that I love the most in my collection is the Chanel Classic Flap. And of course it's in black because black goes with everything and black lasts forever. This is the bag that I love the most. This is definitely the bag that I love the most in my collection. I have no complaints about it. It is perfect. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect caviar leather from, I think this is from series 20. It is so shiny and so beautiful because every year Chanel has different types of leather. Sometimes you get leather that is shiny and sometimes you get leather that would be a bit more matte. So I love the shiny look. I love it. It makes it looks really rich and just lustrous, and I just love it. It goes amazing with the gold hardware. You know I love silver or palladium hardware, but I think the gold is perfect with this because it makes it a little bit more formal. So not only I could wear it during the day with my casual looks, I could also take it to, you know, more formal events in the evening, and it's just perfect. If I have to keep one bag in my collection, I would probably have to choose this one just because I love Chanel. You know, I love the brand so much. So there you go, short and sweet for today. The bag that I love the most is of course the Chanel medium double flap in black with gold hardware. This bag is my treasured possession. This is the ultimate classic timeless bag in my... Thank you Andrea for tagging me in such a fun tag. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe. I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. Let me know in the comment section down below which bag in your collection that you love the most. I would love to find out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!